guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be trying some Dave's hot chicken. Okay, I've been seeing it all over my For You page on TikTok and stuff, and I just been begging my dad to try it, so that's what we're gonna do today. And he's gonna come and pick me up really soon. I am gonna be staying with him for the weekend, so today we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and try some Dave's hot chicken. Okay, so make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to notify whenever I post a video, and let's get started. I know you guys can't hear me, but we're inside. It's burning. I'll come back, but not for that. Now on, I get regular to this, no spice. Pickle and
I'm not sure what to make of this survey that says over 10% of adults consider their health as eating at their favorite fast food restaurant.
High volume.
Am I really that much